Hey, welcome back. I provided a file called RAC Basic Sample Project. It was a default project that was provided by Autodesk in the previous versions, but now Revit has a different default project that's provided. It's a little bit very heavy for my laptop, so I'm trying to use RAC Basic Sample Project, which was more simpler. Okay, so I'm using this. I suggest you to use it too. So I'll put it in my Telegram channel, as I told you, and I'll provide the links down below for my channel. Okay, or you can just search Wow Architects to 2024. Okay, I'll click on it, and first of all, it's an old version. It was 2020 version. So I'm trying to upgrade the model. Don't cancel it. Try to upgrade the model. So it gives some upgrade. I will close it and we will close this and I'll maximize it. You can see this was the project, the default project, but actually the new one was this one, sample. So I'm not using this. I will use the old one. Okay. So I'm going to level one. So you can see that I'm going to explain the properties panel. This is the properties panel, you see. So if you don't have it, maybe you can check here, go to the view and go to the user interface and try to check it. If you don't have it, for example, it's unchecked. If you click on it, it will be back. Okay, so you can see that it says the properties plan. This is floor plan. When we were here, it was a sheet. You see, it gives different things. And let's go to here. Site is a floor plan also. We can go to the solar analysis. You can see it says 3D view, yada yada yada, okay, etc. So you can see this. This is the floor plan. When I'm trying to zoom in, I'll scroll up to zoom. You see, I will, for example, I will select something like this. I'm spanning. Don't worry, I will explain this uh, in the upcoming lectures in detail. But if you want to pan, just uh, hold your scroll head and move your uh, mouse. Okay, I suggest you, highly suggest you to have a mouse. Okay, so add this to buying list. So when I select this, I select this wall or this wall. You can see the properties panel changed to what? To basic wall. It's interior and it's called 165 partition 1 hour. 1 hour is for resistance to fire. Okay, for example, I want to create a for example, I want to create a wall. I'll go to here, WA, don't forget. WA, you can see this changed. Basic wall interior partition. I will just click on it and click on it and try to continue. Click and I'll escape multiple times. Okay, you have something like this. You see? See, it's something like this. I'm trying to change it. How can I change it? I'll go to here. It will drop down menu. It's like drop down. And I'm trying to use timberclad. You see, it's different than before. You see, it has layers, but this one is different. You see, and how to change all of it to this actually. You can select, you can just left click and you will select them. Or you can just press Control. You have this sign, plus sign over the cursor, and click, and just hold Control and just click, and this is how it is selected. If I want to remove something, I will press shift on your keyboard. You see this negative sign, I will uh, ex- exclude it from the selection, or remove it from the selection. You see it changed. It says multiple types selected. Actually, when I selected this, it's called wall. It was wall timber clad, but because it is different than it has different walls selected, multiple types selected. So I can change it to uh, one type of wall. I'll click on this. It will be exterior brick on MTL STUD. Okay, it's changed. I can select this and change it to the same thing. You see, how can I in the properties we have location line where it should be. It's in the center line, wall center line. When I change it, you see these dots came here, or if I make it interior, it comes here. I'll go to the wall center line, the dots will stay here. Okay, I'm selecting this. You can change the constraint and the base offset, and we will talk about this more, but I want you to be familiarize yourself with these. I will give a base offset. For example, I will give how much? Let's say 10. Okay, if you want to apply, just move your cursor to here and it will be applied. See, 0, when you go here it will be applied. Or if you want to apply it instantly, you can come to here and apply. Or sometimes it will not apply, just apply it from here, or it takes time to apply. For example, 566, I'll come here and it will be applied. You see, so this is how we can use the properties panel. For example, I'm trying to choose these walls, and I'm trying, they are same, isn't it? Exterior, and when I select this, it will say multiple types select. I'll exclude this, and I'll select this cabinet, I think, casework. This is the casework, and everything will change. This time you are not allowed to change anything because it's multiple categories selected. It is different family. This, we said, this is system family. Uh, this is family, component family. Okay, so we have to exclude it, and it will return to its normal state. You see, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.